Now in this we will solve the sums of the worksheet 3. The solution of question 1 that I have already sent in the last video. Now start with the question 2. Question 2a. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Means we have to take two negative integers and whose difference means its subtraction gives 8. So let's take two negative integer minus 2 minus 10. Now the subtraction of these two integers, it gives 8. How? Minus 2 minus 10. Minus minus plus. So minus 2 plus 10 minus plus, again it's a minus and sign will be the big digit. So minus 2 plus 10 is equal to 8. Now B. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. So here we have to take one negative integer and one positive integer and we have to do the addition. So minus 7 it's a negative integer, 2 it's a positive integer. Now addition of this minus 7 plus 2, minus plus minus, sign will be the big digit. So it's a minus 5. Let's take another example. Minus 9 plus 4, minus plus minus, sign will be the big digit. So you can write any of the examples, but the main things, one it's a negative, one it's a positive, and do the addition of that. See, write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. So you have to take one negative integer and one positive integer and do the subtraction of that. Answer is minus 3. So negative integer it's the minus 2, positive 1. Minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Now question 3, verify the following. A. 18 multiply into bracket 7 plus minus 3 is equal to 18 multiply 7 plus 18 multiply minus 3. Now in this sum we have to verify this left hand side is equal to right hand side. First take the left hand side, 18 multiply 7 plus minus 3. Plus minus it's a minus and sign will be the big number. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 18 multiply 4 is equal to 72. Now let's take the right hand side. 18 multiply 7 plus 18 multiply minus 3. 18 multiply 7 is equal to 126 and 18 multiply minus 3 is equal to minus 54. Again the minus plus it's a minus and sign will be the big number. So 126 minus 54 is equal to 72. Now just observe, left hand side also the 72, right hand side also the 72, hence left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence it's a verified. Now B. Minus 21 multiply minus 4 plus minus 6 is equal to minus 21 multiply minus 4 plus minus 21 multiply minus 6. Now first let's take the left hand side. Minus 21 multiply minus 4 plus minus 6. Minus 21 multiply minus minus plus. So it's a minus 10. Minus 21 multiply minus 10 is equal to 210. Now let's take the right hand side. Minus 21 multiply minus 4 plus minus 21 multiply minus 6. Minus 21 multiply minus 4 is equal to 84 and minus 21 multiply minus 6 is equal to 126. Now 84 plus 126 is equal to 210. Now check the left hand side, also it's a 210, right hand side also it's a 210. Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence it's a verified. Question 4. Find the product using suitable properties. A. 26 multiply minus 48 plus minus 48 multiply minus 36. In this sum there are two terms. First one 26 multiply minus 48. Second term minus 48 multiply minus 36. From these two terms, minus 48 it's a common. So put minus 48 outside of the bracket. So minus 48 multiply 26 plus minus 36. It is called the distributive property. Now minus 48 multiply minus 10, because plus minus it's a minus and sign will be the big number. Now minus 48 multiply minus 10 is equal to 480. Now B, 625 multiply minus 35 plus minus 625 multiply 65. Here also two terms. First one 625 multiply minus 35. Second term minus 625 multiply 65. From this two term 625 it's a common. But here it's a positive, here it's a negative. So here negative sign is remaining, that we multiply with the 65. So 65 becomes minus 65. Now put the common 625 outside of the bracket. 625 multiply minus 35 plus minus 65, because here it's a minus sign is remaining, so it's a minus 65. Now 625 multiply minus minus plus, so it's a minus 100. So 625 multiply minus 100 is equal to minus 62,500. Now see, minus 57 multiply minus 19 plus 57. Here also two terms. First one minus 57 multiply minus 19. Second 57. Now just look at here both the sign are minus. In the multiplication, if both the sign are minus, it becomes the positive. So minus 57 multiply minus 19, we can write it as a positive 57 multiply 19. And here we can also write 57 multiply 1, because answer is also the same. So 57 multiply 19 plus 57 multiply 1. Now these two terms 57 is common. So put the 57 outside of the bracket, multiply 19 plus 1. It is called the distributive property. Now 57 multiply 20 is equal to 1140.